regarding that flood on the connector in Atlanta 3 days ago. We talked about quiet heroes, humans who made the smart, calculated decision to wait. But here's a video I haven't shared, and it shows the waters at their highest point when I first arrived. Seeing this firsthand raised a really interesting question inside our office afterwards. Can a driverless car make that same judgment call? We'll be researching that, because I do know technology companies cannot get a free pass when these systems fail in dangerous real-life situations. Because when a machine makes the wrong decision, real people suffer the consequences. And as technology changes the roads around us, especially in moments like this, one thing should never change: protecting the people on them. Drive safely, Georgia.